Hello, you're welcome back to KS Tech Concepts. So today again, let's quickly run it through. So just follow the step as we are going. You drag you follow the steps as you are seeing it going. You check this one to left, then right. Take this one down. So push it. Follow it step by step. You see, take it up. Close this one up. Once the red one goes up, push the red ones up, then you drag the key in. So you see it, we are done. Our daily Cipher is out for today. Today is the second day, the month of August 2024. So let's quickly run it down. Today's Cipher is shared. Okay, so we have our SHARDS. So as usual, we have our code. For S is dash dot dot, that is dot in 3 places. Our H is dot in 4 places, 1 2 3 4. Then our A is dot and dash. Our R is dot and dash dot. Our D is dash dot dot. Then our S is dot in 3 places, 1 2 3. So here we have share this out. That is our Cipher for today, the second day in the month of August 2024. Do go to like, share and share to others for them to also partake on this today's own. Okay, bye.